Sort of has a sharp extra blade that runs along this toe. And that's actually used for, like, these are for grabbing, but it has this sharp extra blade here. It actually uses that when it cuts up its prey. So, like, it'll get it there and it'll pull its prey against that sharp part on its toe, and it actually cuts through it like a knife. So, yeah. And most owls, when they kill something, it's actually because, like, if you feel the foot, that's a really thick foot compared to, like, for instance, the grouse foot is really skinny and sort of wussy. This one here, when an owl kills something, it typically grabs it and just crushes it. Well, his eyes, they dried up and they sort of, but that does happen because you can't save them because they're soft and squishy. Does that make any sense? Oh, so this one, remember how you were seeing like the woodpecker? So that it looked like a pink fish? No, it was one of... Yes, you have a question. That's not funny. Normally where they live, they can't really lay down. So they've just learned to stand there. Because if they lay down, usually where they live is really muddy. And so they get all that mud all over.